Tech Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to find archive projects in Asana. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe as this really helps me out. So maybe you've archived a project and you want to find it again because it has some important information. It's really easy to do. So from your Asana homepage, we're going to click into the search bar and then we're going to click onto the projects tab at the top. From there, we can use the filter to find archived items. So type is project located anywhere, and then we're going to direct our attention to the status section. I'm going to click the down arrow and I'm going to click on archived and click on search. Asana will then search for your archived projects, and then if you want to restore it, all you need to do is click onto it, and then in the top right you should see a button that says restore. So I'm going to click on that and my archive project has been added back to my workspace. So it's as easy as that. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.